Okay, how's everybody doing? So, do you want to know why I'm inserting this video? Because I was going to do this roof. This is the kitchen roof for the station, which I was just going to use tar paper. Because it's, in the modern world, restored, saved station building on River Road, right? But I chose to shingle it because they would have been shingled. But the reason why I'm actually shingling this roof has nothing to do with the prototype. It has everything to do with the video. What? What do you mean? Well, the video that I did, like the paint process to weather that I really wanted to show was fail. At least, like the main part was. I forgot to plug in my mic or didn't clip it on, and the audio just sucked, right? So it's fail, like the videos fail. So, I shoot thousands of videos, right? Collectively. I mean, I don't know how many I've thrown away either. Just content creators don't count. But any content creator will know what I'm talking about. So some people said, well, you should use a cordless mic. Yeah, well, what happens when the battery dies when you're in the middle of production? You don't pay attention to stuff like that. It just dies. And guaranteed, the video that you like the most or want to be the best will fail. So that's why I'm doing this. I'm shingling this roof so I can show you that process on a smaller footprint. Okay, that's why I'm doing this. It was unfortunate, but that's the nature of the game. So I'm going to just shingle up this little shed with these TC train group shingles, which I love because they look totally awesome. They look so awesome when they're painted. I don't want you to miss out on that. I want you to see how I did it because it's really easy to do, right? I'll just use this and add on a short piece. So that is why I skipped the tar paper roof for the shingle roof. It has nothing to do with the prototype, everything to do with the video. Even though it's still plausible, right? Okay.